Welcome to our step-by-step video on how to integrate affiliate conversions in Google Analytics. In order to do that, first, you have to sign up to We Can Track and open your account. We have a 30 days free trial for all new users. After that, please verify your email address. In your We Can Track account, go to Data Sources, Affiliate Networks, and start connecting all your affiliate network accounts. To add a network to our system, you need to fill in the API credentials. We provide instructions on how to find the credentials in your network accounts. After adding your affiliate networks, you can connect your websites. We have two different types of connections available, one via WordPress plugin and the other via our JavaScript tag. When adding your website, you need to make sure the Google Analytics tracking ID is also added in your website settings. Our system will automatically fill in the tag, if not you can add it manually. Select the type of website you are using, WordPress or other. For the purposes of our video guide, we are using a WordPress website. Select the correct option and install our We Can Track WordPress plugin on your website or landing page. You can find our plugin by searching on your WordPress admin for We Can Track and immediately install it. Activate our plugin on your website admin, and follow the link to find your API key. Copy the API key and paste it in our plugin settings. After, click Verify Key. Please make sure the plugin is enabled and click Update and Save. Our WordPress plugin is compatible with almost every redirection and cloaking plugin, so you don't need to do anything else but install and activate it. After you've done that, please go back to your We Can Track account. Navigate to Features, and enable our Google Analytics integration. After that, you have to go to your Google Analytics account settings. In your account, go to Admin and Ecommerce Settings. Make sure the e-commerce option is enabled. After enabling the Google Analytics Ecommerce, we advise that you increase your session timeout settings in order to deliver a better session attribution coverage. Go to Admin, Tracking Info, and Session Settings. Google Analytics session duration should be set to 4 hours, that's the maximum amount of time allowed. Your integration is now active. Don't forget to check out our other integration videos, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.